What do you think, Phoebe? Ready to do some planning? She's like, you're a weirdo. Hi, it's Bethany. Welcome to today's video. So today I'm planning out Monday, October 5th through Sunday, October 11th in my Plum paper hourly planner. And this is the 8.5 by 11 size still. I've really been enjoying this planner. And today I'm going to be using this gorgeous kit from Sammy Doodle Designs. I've got the individual date covers here. This is the full boxes. This is the sampler sheet and washi, and I also have some other stuff, including sidebar page, additional boxes and labels, lots of icons, some headers. That is what I have to work with. I don't know that I'll use all of it. This is quite a lot of pieces. Also, this kit is a Plum paper kit. It fits the 7x9 perfectly. I've used similar from her shop, but this is the larger planner. So I know I will have to do a little bit of kind of sticker surgery to get this to work, but not a whole lot, honestly, because whenever I have, this is like the key, is individual date covers. It works out great, especially that plus washi, and I'm good to go. Today, I'm also going to be using some of these appointment labels from Ever Changing Plans, and these are for the big planner. You can see it has there the 8.5 by 11 vertical, so these will fit great. And then I also have some of the habit trackers by Ever Changing Plans as well. So this is nice because I noticed that there's some like kind of goldish here, and there's some goldish kind of glitter washi in the kit, plus these navy. I think is going to work really well. So let's take a look at last week quick. So here's last week right now. I just finished recording the podcast, so I'm actually doing this instead of lunch right now, which is fine because none of this stuff really has a time except when we get down to Wesley's scrimmage later today. Yeah, I really liked how this kit turned out. This is an Alexandra Nicole Plans kit, and I really had a lot of fun working through this. I'm noticing that I forgot to check some stuff off, which is not like me, but a couple habits, I definitely did a little bit better with that this week. And then I've started doing some things this morning, obviously. This was fun to fill out throughout the week, and I'm excited to, of course, start the fresh week. So first things first, let's dive in with some whiteout, some washi, get some structure going here. I think I am going to continue with having YouTube stuff along the bottom. That's been a really nice reminder. And then that puts meals over here, habits on this side. So the kit is very, you see it's very like blues, golds, some really pretty browns. So this mint-ish, sage-ish, whatever this green is, the new green, the new October green is not going to work. So I am going to pretty much go in with whiteout and just get rid of all of that first, just to give myself a clean slate, and then start in with the washi. Okay, so here we are with the structure all set up. I think next I'm gonna go in with routine stuff, trash day, laundry, weekend cleaning, all that kind of stuff, get that in, and then go from there. The tricky thing with some of the routine stuff is now we're having hockey. And so with hockey, the problem is that like I usually put stuff in the weekend and now I'm like, maybe I should save the space, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for it. And if I have to move stuff or like rearrange later, it'll be fine. I'm just gonna put it in and we'll go from there. I'm just gonna know that hockey might interfere and it's fine. Yeah, so the boys actually have hockey now, which is exciting. They both got on good teams, so I'm proud of them. That's all good to go. I just haven't put in yet like when those are occurring. We have like a shared calendar that I don't know, it's like a calendar you can download from the internet, right? So we have that. And then from there, we kind of download it onto our own Google Calendar and phones. And I haven't done, that's the piece I need to do that I just haven't done yet. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with workouts, and there are 3 kettlebells here, and then there is a 4th kettlebell on the sampler sheet. So I'm going to use those for my 4 workouts, and those are all my scheduled classes. So I have 2 classes I like to do at my big box gym on Monday and Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday I go to my smaller group training, and that is on Thursday and Friday morning. So that's gonna work out really great. I don't know if I'm going to mark in any cardio. I think I might just try to slip that in when I can, but let's at least get those workouts in. And like I said, they're all scheduled classes, so I can use actual appointment labels for all of those. I think I will do those in the dark blue. It's at a 6:00 p.m. on Monday and Wednesday. And then it is 6:30 a.m. on Thursday and Friday. It's okay, we're gonna put it in the 7 o'clock hour anyway. I feel like it's fine. Just using the scripts that I had created for my Fuse classes on Thursday and Friday. I think I could use the cardio ones because these classes are kind of cardio-ish, but I'm just gonna write in the name of the classes for these Monday, Wednesday ones. So this is Extreme. This one is Shred. I think I mentioned this on another plan with me, I don't know, but they seem like the same thing to me. Like I can't tell them apart. They have different names. They last both 45 minutes and they seem like they're, again, pretty similar, but it's fine. I just realized I almost forgot my meal plan sticker for Wednesday. And I know I don't like need icons for everything. As I'm looking at this, I'm like, every single thing has an icon. I feel like it's totally not necessary. I just happen to have them and wanted to use them. So let's see next also. Okay, I guess it's time to put in work meetings. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that next. I do have a meeting every single day at 8 o'clock. And I mean, I don't mind it. It's nice to like get together, and usually most of the team is on it. So it's cool to see everybody first thing in the morning and get some stuff done. I don't know if I have enough meeting stickers for it. Yeah, I definitely do not. So I'm just gonna have to write in the word meeting on each one, and that's fine. I think next week though, I might try to do scripts for everything again, because I really liked it the week I did that. Last week I did scripts for some things, but the week before that I had printed scripts that I made myself for pretty much everything, and I thought that was really cool. So I might go back and do that again. Also, speaking of next week, I was looking at my stash of stuff because I've been kind of like picking up Halloween stickers for a while. Let me know if you're doing the same thing or if it's just me. Am I the only like Halloween sticker stash hoarder? But I was looking at everything I have, and I think that I can actually do Halloween kind of themed spreads for the next, like every single week through Halloween. And I kind of want to do it. Like, I was like, is that going to look stupid looking back on it? But at this point, I'm like, I don't care. I'm not going to use it for anything else. I know next year I'm probably going to want like new Halloween stickers, right? So I think I might try to do that. So, all right, I've got the morning meeting in every day. At this point, it is going to be almost 1 o'clock now. So hopefully I sped that up for you guys. It didn't take you that long to get to this point. But at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a break, have some lunch, feed the kids, and I'll probably put in the rest of my work meetings because that's boring. And then I will show you what I came up with when I finished it later. It's been a few hours, finished filling in the work appointments and a couple other things, had some lunch, and I'm back just to wrap this up and let you know where everything came from. So let's see. Of course, the kit is from Sammy Doodle Designs. If you like these stickers, check out her shop. I do have a discount code that is Bethany10. It'll get you 10% off. Also mention me for a really cool, super cute freebie if you're interested in doing some sticker shopping. So that is the kit. Otherwise, all these appointment labels that fit this bigger planner are from Ever Changing Plans. All the habit trackers are Ever Changing Plans as well. Most of the icons are Sammy Doodle as well, with the exception of, and I'll just kind of go through those. So this headset is Simply Smith stickers, as is the Plan Next Week script, the Date Night script. Let's see where else. The Trash Day script. And then this one up here, Positive Mind, Positive Vibes, is Simply Smith stickers as well. Also have a couple of Monarch Plan scripts here. The To Clean is Monarch Plans, and Pitbull Mom Plans. Down here we've got this little fork and spoon icon is of course Pitbull Mom Plans as well. I've used that one quite a bit. And then the YouTube icon sticker here is Pitbull Mom Plans as well. Do have a discount code for Pitbull Mom Plans as well. That is Bethany10 for 10% off. And then yeah, most of the other scripts are either ones that I created or they are from the kit itself. Again, most of the icons are from the kit. Let's see, there was, yeah, this little fork, spoon, knife icon was not from the kit. That was from a separate sheet, but also from Sammy Doodle as well. So I really love how this turned out. One thing I'm realizing is that I definitely need to organize my stickers today because I'm really happy you can't see around because it is a hot mess. So I need to clean that up today and get organized. I ordered some more clear plastic sleeves and stuff to kind of organize my stickers, and I just need to get it together because it's pretty bad. So that's probably what I'm going to do with the rest of my day today. But that's it for the spread. I think it's a great start to the week. Most of the stuff is started. Again, I just hope I don't have to rip too much up for accommodating hockey. That's like my one concern. But yeah, that's all I've got for you today. Hope you're having a great day, a great week, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.